Hey, we're Chad and Diana, and we have something special for you.
Are you done and tired of living paycheck to paycheck?
Are you feeling trapped with debt and have no idea how you're going to get out of it?
Or maybe you just don't know how to manage money at all. No one taught you at school. You don't know what to do or how to do it.
Well, we have the answer for you. It's called Seeds.
And on this program, we want to help you learn how to not live paycheck to paycheck. How can you save? How can you invest?
We're going to show you how to get out of debt quick and never get back into it again.
And we're going to show you how to create a wealth plan focused on your vision and the vision of your family.
So it's time to start living generously and living for the future.
Don't stay just by listening to this video. Connect with us today.
Join us now.